In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your shipping address on Shein's website. This is an essential task, whether you're moving to a new home or simply updating your information to ensure your packages arrive safely at the right place. So, let's get started and make sure your next delivery is sent to the correct address. First, open your preferred web browser. We'll be using Google Chrome for this demonstration and navigate to Shein.com. Once you're on the Shein homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you're already logged in, great. If not, click on the login button, usually found in the top right corner of the web page. For a swift and seamless login process, you have the option to sign in using your Google account. This is a quick way to access your account with just a click, saving you the hassle of remembering an additional password. After signing in, take a look over to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a list of options related to your account. What we're interested in right now is the address book. Click on it to bring up all the saved addresses associated with your profile. The address book is where you can manage and update any of the addresses you have used before or wish to modify for future orders. Once you're in the address book, you'll notice a list of addresses if you have previously added any. Look for the address you wish to update. Next to this address, you should see an option that either looks like an edit icon or simply a button labeled Edit or Modify. Clicking this will allow you to make changes to the existing address. When editing, ensure to check every detail carefully. This includes the street address, city, postal code, and any specific instructions that might help the delivery reach you more efficiently. Once you've made all the necessary changes, a Save button should appear near the bottom of the box or page. Don't forget to click this Save button to ensure your updates are recorded. And there you have it. Updating your address on Shein is straightforward once you know where to look and what steps to follow. Remember, keeping your shipping information up to date is crucial in preventing delays or lost packages. With this address updated, you can get back to shopping comfortably, knowing your orders are headed exactly where you want them to go. Feel free to refer back to this video anytime you need a refresher on updating your Shein account details. Thank you for joining me, and happy shopping.